Hello. In this video, we intend to fund our Tickmil Broker account using the Skrill method. We log into the account. In the Cabin Traders Room section, we select the deposit option. In the Advanced section, we choose the Skrill option.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
In the Amount Entry section, we must deposit at least $100 using this method. The account funding method is via Skrill. We check the options and select Confirm. You will be connected to an external payment gateway. You need to complete some steps through that gateway. We select the Proceed option. To deposit $100, we choose the Pay with Skrill wallet option. We enter the email address associated with the Skrill account. We select the Continue option. You can scan the QR code you see with your Skrill wallet, or if you want to continue the process in your browser, we select the Continue on Browser option. We enter the Skrill account password and select the Login option. We are in the process of paying $100 from the Skrill wallet. We select the Pay Now option. For final confirmation, we select the Confirm option. A code will be sent to your email address to confirm the transaction. Take the code from your email inbox and paste it in the verification code section. We have entered the code. We select the Continue option. We need to enter the 6-digit transaction PIN code and select the Pay option. The transaction was completed successfully. We were automatically redirected to the broker's page, and you can see the balance in the wallet showing that $100 has been deposited into our account. You can also review your transactions in the Transaction History section. In the Transaction History section, you can see that the $100 deposit made via Skrill has been fully processed. In future videos, we will be with you to discuss other deposit and withdrawal methods in this broker. Wishing you success.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.